Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing off the blow-off valve I have installed on the 2017 Focus ST here. I have the Turbosmart blow-off valve installed. It's a 50-50 dual port, which means 50% of the air goes back into the engine, 50% of the air vented to the atmosphere, which gives it that pristine turbo sound that everybody loves. The install is right through here, through the passenger wheel well. Just remove the tire so you can really access up in there. Should be like a less than 15-minute install. It's pretty straightforward. I'm going to be mounting the GoPro right about here so you can really hear that blow-off valve while I'm driving. I'm also going to be mounting the GoPro on the inside of the car so you can hear what it's like inside the cabin. I'll do some different varieties, windows up, windows down, maybe a little low radio, just so you can know what to expect with the sounds of this blow-off valve. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, now we're in the car. So this is all the windows up. See how it sounds. So I don't think it sounds too loud with all the windows up. Usually when you downshift, you don't really hear the blow-off valve unless you really smack it. All right, let's put the windows down. That's definitely noticeably louder. Definitely a loud blow-off valve here. I'll do a second gear pull. One thing that's really great about this blow-off valve is that driving through residential neighborhoods like I am right now, I'm not even driving fast, I'm not even going 20, barely over 2,000 RPM, and all you have to do is blip the throttle, and you just, that sound is just, it's just so good. And I'm not even doing anything crazy. And another thing is when you're driving and you see walls to your left and your right and you really smack the throttle, you get a very echoey sound, and I'm sure you just saw those two white ladies just fucking rip their necks off. It's pretty hilarious. Turn a lot of heads, not even really doing anything. I'm going 22 miles an hour. It's pretty funny. Alright, so what does this thing sound like with the windows up and the radio on? Pretty low. Not really loud.
Those are the moments that every single
I'm just driving.
When the towers are there, I go, oh wow. And then when they're not,
definitely like 3 times lower in sound. Can't really hear it. And also, if you have the windows up and you have some low sound playing and you're having a conversation like I am right now with the camera, like it's, you almost can't even notice the blow-off valve going off. So if you're worried about it like just being super annoying for your passengers or even for yourself, you don't really need to worry, because when you're just doing driving like this, you can't really hear it. Having conversation, low volume, so nothing really to worry about. But if you love it like I do, I always have the windows down if I can, and especially if I'm driving next to these walls, it's ridiculously loud. Last pull here. Yeah, if you're definitely looking for something that's pretty loud, this is definitely the blow-off valve to get. I don't regret this purchase at all. Like I mentioned before, it's only 170 bucks. It's off CJ Pony Parts. I'll have that link down in the description below. Definitely worth every single penny. My favorite mod I've done to the car. It doesn't do anything for your performance. It's just sound. Just in addition to the sound, get that turbo sound. Beautiful. All right. Catch you guys in the next one.